Good morning. I now have a new amp from Pastor June Rivera. Thank you very much. It's my first Fender amp, which I can call my own. Thank you. And before I proceed, I would like to apologize kay Josh. Ang bigat pala, hindi kita tinulungan magsakay.
Oh no!
Ngayon ko na-realize, it's heavy.
Hey, wait!
Yeah, kaya nga, sorry Josh. But again, thank you very much. Thank you. Short notes, short history, kumbaga. When I started playing as a guitarist way back before Pinatubo.
A volcano blows itself apart, blasting its way into history with unimaginable force.
Twin reverb ang laging pinapagamit sa akin ni Kong Jess Patawaran sa Nepo Subdivision. Sabi niya, magandang tunog ng... Well, he was proud of twin reverb amp ng Fender, no? If that was way back 1990 pre-Pinatubo, so just imagine, siguro 70s version po yung ginagamit ko noon. Ginamit ko sa tunog. And tutunog concerts. And other concerts. Kaya hinahanap ko yung tunog. Even though we do have a Marshall amp, PV, ano pa bang meron dyan? May orange, tsaka Marshall na solid state dun sa BOC, naiwan doon. Ito yung hinahanap kong tunog eh. Yan, no? Yung sabi nga ni Ian kahapon, meron siyang parang compression and may punch. Tapos bright siya. Ito pa lang gitara, Fender Strat from Mexico. I think I got this before Domino's Pizza naman. So, 1997, if I'm not mistaken. So, this is already going 24 years old. Pero I love the feel eh. Andun yung ano niya, yung may punch, pero clear, no? Bagay, Fender to Fender. Tugma. But again, before I go, thank you ulit kay Kuya June Rivera. Twin reverb amp. Yeah. Thank you.